Hello everybody, my name is Tudor-Ioan and today I will present you our project for the AI class. So our team was made of me, Tudor-Ioan and Genia team, and our project team was about implant failure risk and examination and model. Basically, we had to document ourselves with a lot of articles, we had to process them, then we made the distribution found here in the visuals, and then we used an LLM AI to give us answers based upon the studies that we found. So in the first part of the project we managed our data. As you can see here, there are a lot of articles. Also in the notebooks, here you can see the problem definition, where we analyze and we go through all the articles and search for terms like smoking, diabetes, periodontal disease. We also have some intensity keywords, significant strong that means high, moderate which is associated with linked, related or moderate, low which is weak, may and possible. Then we processed all the data, and in the final we did a distribution where we found all our factors and the frequency that they are. As you can see, the most frequently found cases were smoking, diabetes, and periodontal disease, also followed by osteoporosis and plaque control. After we found those distribution, we went to the AI part, where we had to use AI to discover the risk of a patient with different factors of having a failure in this implant. As you can see here, is written in Romanian all the steps that we took, which are written in README. Also, why do we need an AI? Because there are a lot of data to be processed, and AI can help us give more precise answers based on the formula. And now I'm gonna show you as you can see here is the final part of the project, where we did a formula where our clients can select what they have. Let's say maybe all they have is diabetes, a person that doesn't eat good, and let's see which is the risk of having an implant failure. We click here on evaluate risk, and then here we are waiting for the prompt. As you can see, the risk level is moderate, and here it gives us a brief medical justification, which can teach us more about the risk. Okay, now let's go through the code. We will open Visual Studio Code where we worked. We have three main important components. Give me a second to find it here. Right. As you can see, we have an index for the HTML code, an app where we use JavaScript, and the interesting part here is that we use an AI. As you can see, we open a new connection using an API key. Now you know my API key, yeah, this should be hidden, but here As you can see, we have a constant prompt where we tell the AI what we found on those articles and which gravity every factor has, and then here are the responses on the formula. And in the end, we have a CSS file to make sure everything looks perfect. So this was our project. Let's do one more try. Let's say a patient has every disease here, and also no, and poor oral hygiene no. Yes, alright. So now the risk should be high, very high, if you ask me. Okay, risk is high, as you can see here. So this was our project. Have fun exploring it. Thank you for your attention.